Okay everyone, today we are back at a premier car wash in Uxbridge with the PDQ RiteTouch Tandem with Ryko's Thrust Pro Dryer. You can see your wash options once again. We're going to be getting the $12 wash again like last time. Alrighty. Here we go.
Please select the wash package. Would you like a receipt? Push yes or no. Please proceed into the wash.
Alright, here we go. Glove off, hold on. And here we go into the wash. It's actually not for long since I've last been in here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this week's visit. I guess I was at the dryer time. Oh well. Anyways, I'm going to stop here since there's no one behind me and see how I've washed it. Okay, so the side dryers did really well except for spots here, which is fine. The car was extremely dirty before we got in. It scrubbed the tires really well, except it missed some spots here. Yeah, I got all the dirt off. The dryers did an excellent job on the side. Cleaned the back tires too. Back windshield, there's a lot of pink soap on the back windshield. You can see here, even right here. Didn't clean off that. And then a little bit of soap here. Back window, no soap on the back, but it seems like it didn't clean all of it in here because there's a little bit of dirt, a little bit of soap in here. The car smells really good, and you can kind of see how well it didn't get up on the back window here, where compared to this side it did. So yeah, let's see how well the passenger side did. Didn't get off fat here. That was before when we got in the car wash. Cleaned that tire. But the side dryers did really well, like wow, which is awesome. Like no water on the car. Cleaned this tire too, as always. On the hood, well, the dryers really didn't do well on the hood here. The top dryer was probably weaker. And there's a little bit of soap by the windshield wipers here too, and stuff like that. Yeah, the top dryer is really big on the roof too, like there's a lot of water. Definitely compared to the side dryers did much better. So that's basically how I've washed it, basically. Overall for 12 bucks, it seems like it still did really well. The pre-soak coverage was much better than the last time back last year in December. The tri-foam was excellent once again. Soft touch wash did really well except one spot on the back window. And the dryers on the sides did really awesome, but the top was really weak. It seems like it didn't even drop down at all. It just dropped down a little bit and just didn't touch the car. And that's how well, if it would like drop down halfway, I bet the top will do much better. So yeah, but overall for top wash of 12 bucks, once again it did really well. Really impressed, despite the soap and stuff like that. It needs more wash time, but like I said, 12 bucks is not that bad. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Like I said, I recommend this one. I honestly think so. Like I said, the car was extremely dirty before we got in, so yeah. For a PDQ tandem that did with an extremely dirty car, it did really well, surprisingly. Like wow. Anyways, that's this car wash video here. So yeah. After the tri-foam dried, it left a spot on the car. I also noticed that a piece of brush material is missing from the brush. So that's why one side of the back window got touched and the other side didn't. So overall, it didn't do a nice of a good job like last time I was here. And before we end this video, I want to apologize for last car wash videos over a month. And I'm saying that because the stay-at-home order was in effect over a month. The great news is that some parts of Ontario is leaving the lockdown and the stay-at-home order. For example, Uxbridge. Uxbridge has left for lockdown and for stay-at-home order. So that's why we did a car wash video in Uxbridge, since we have to do some things in Uxbridge and the stay-at-home order is gone. The bad news is that it could happen again because of a possibility of a third wave. I'm saying there's a third wave coming because there is some new COVID-19 variants around my area. I'm talking about the UK variant, the South Africa variant, and the Brazil variant. All of these variants are now in Ontario, which is really bad news. The most variant I'm afraid of is the Brazil variant. It will get you really more sick than the other variants. So yeah, that's an update on my car wash videos. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this car wash video, and most importantly, stay safe. Well, once again, I really hope you enjoyed this video after it's been a month. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really hope you enjoyed this again, and that will be it.